Good morning to all of you. I would welcome you all to this class of English language. So, today let us begin on page 36. An assignment was left in the previous class. So, just roughly go through the answer. Page 36, assignment, filling the blanks with the correct form of the verb given in bracket. Number 1, the proprietor and director has appointed her. HAS. Second, my cousins as well as I are present. Are present because cousins plural are. 3. Either Meeta or her sisters are to be blamed. Sisters plural are. 4. The jury were divided in their opinion. Were in their opinion. 5. None of his books is or are read today. None can be singular or plural, so is or are can be used. 6. The Midnight Children was written by Salman Rushdie. Was written. 7. The quality of the sarees was not good. Quality singular was. 8. The size of the curtains is irregular. Size singular is. 9. 50,000 rupees is a good sum. 50,000 rupees, one amount is. 10. Neither of the two candidates was present. Neither singular was. 11. Mohit as well as his friends has won the competition. As well as singular has. 12. 20 kilometers is a long distance to go on foot. Is 20 kilometers, one amount is. Underline on foot, preposition. 13. Many a woman was injured. Many a woman was. 14. Neither the teacher nor his students are in the class. Students plural are. 15. One of the boys was appointed as the monitor. One singular was. Now come back to page 62, question number 5a. Page number 62, question number 5a. Fill in with the correct verb. O is already given there. Processing of municipal solid waste has more than doubled. DOUBLED. Doubled in urban areas in the past 1 year. Government data shows. SHOWS singular. Till May end, little over 54% of municipal solid waste generated past tense across urban areas was processed. Generated was processed as compared to about 25% a year back. According to official data, in 17 states, including Punjab, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, and Uttarakhand, the share of garbage being processed was less than the national average. Meghalaya is the worst. WORST. The worst state where only about 4% of the trash collected was being treated. In Delhi, about 55% of garbage is processed. 5B, filling the blanks with an appropriate word. The army stood by in case of trouble. Underline stood by. Here stood by means was ready for action. Second, will you look into this assignment and tell me what you think? Look into means go through or to examine. Number 3, this belt doesn't go with those shoes. Go with means agree with. 4, don't let your enthusiasm carry you away. Carry away means cause to lose self-control. Carry away. 5, the new government has brought about many changes. 6, the traffic was held up for 4 hours. 7, they have carried away the first prize. Here carried away means won. W-O-N. The villager asked them to move across the river. To move across. C. Join the following sentences. Number 1. It was very hot. I could not go out. Use to. Answer. It was too hot for me to go out. Again, it was too hot for me to go out. Second, the room is small. It cannot accommodate all of us. Begin. The small room cannot accommodate all of us. Again, the small room cannot accommodate all of us. Number 3, it is a good book. I borrowed it from my neighbor. So, simple answer. I borrowed this good book from my neighbor. Again, I borrowed this good book from my neighbor. Number 4, Aditi was very frightened, terrified. She couldn't speak. Again, use to. Aditi was too terrified to speak. Once again, Aditi was too terrified to speak. Exercise D, we would do in the next class. Till then, keep learning and enjoy yourself. Good health. Thank you.